Welcome to my channel Creative Product Review. Here are the top 5 dash cam of 2025. Number 1. Brand name, Red Tiger, Dash Cam. The Red Tiger F9 dash cam offers excellent value with its 4K front and rear cameras, providing crystal clear footage for both day and night driving. The built-in Wi-Fi and GPS enhance its functionality, allowing easy control via an app. Parking mode offers added peace of mind by recording any movement around your vehicle. Its night vision capabilities ensure reliable recording in low-light conditions. The installation is straightforward, and the camera's performance is impressive for both everyday use and long drives. Highly recommended for safety-conscious drivers. Number 2. The ASDOM M550 Pro Car DVR Dash Cam is an excellent choice for anyone seeking high-quality video footage. With its 4K resolution, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and multiple camera options, front, cabin, rear, it offers comprehensive coverage for added security. The built-in GPS provides accurate tracking, while the night vision ensures clear images even in low-light conditions. The parking monitor feature adds peace of mind when the car is parked. Overall, this dash cam is a reliable and feature-packed device for enhanced road safety. Number 3. Brand name, ddpai Dash Cam. The ddpai Dash Cam Z60 3CH offers exceptional performance with its front, rear, and interior camera coverage. Equipped with GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and ADAS, it ensures smooth, reliable footage and enhanced safety features. The night vision technology provides clear recordings even in low-light conditions. Its 24H parking monitor delivers added peace of mind by capturing any incidents when parked. Overall, this dash cam is a solid choice for those seeking comprehensive protection and convenience on the road. Number 4. Brand name, ddpai Dash Cam. The K50AI screen for G+64G 10.26-inch Android 13 GPS navigation CarPlay Android Auto Dual Lens Dash Cam Rear View Mirror Video Recorder is a top-notch car accessory. The 10.26-inch touchscreen offers clear navigation and seamless connectivity with Android Auto and CarPlay. The dual-lens dash cam ensures excellent video recording for both front and rear views. The GPS navigation is precise, and Android 13 provides smooth performance. It's an essential and reliable device for enhancing driving safety and convenience. Number 5. Brand name, Wolfbox Dash Cam. The Wolfbox G900 Pro Dash Cam is an excellent choice for car security and driving convenience. Featuring 4K front and 2.5K rear cameras, it offers crisp video quality for both day and night. The voice control feature is intuitive, making it easy to operate while driving. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can quickly transfer footage to your device, and the GPS function tracks your route. It's a reliable, high-performance device that ensures peace of mind on the road. Highly recommended. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.